Folks, I keep seeing really stupid things on the internet, like use toothpaste on your headlights, use WD-40, what a load of rubbish. When you've got a headlight and it's really, you can't see, one of the only things that really works, to be honest, if you don't want to put the time in, is basically let it sit for just a couple of seconds. As you can see, what a massive difference. Actions certainly speak louder than words here. So probably it's about the only thing that works without actually getting your sandpaper. No, don't bother mucking about with sandpapers or DAs, rotaries. Just buy yourself a pot noodle, doesn't need to be any specific brand, and you're going to be able to see better.